Hello guys, you're watching Vivoactive and my name is Trucker. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Garmin watch to Wi-Fi. This is going to be a short tutorial video. To demonstrate the process, I'm using my Garmin Forerunner 265. But the process I'm about to show you is more or less the same for all Garmin watches. So, you can follow the step-by-step process to connect your Garmin Forerunner, Fenix, Venu or Vivoactive series to Wi-Fi. So, without any delay, let's start the process. First, press and hold the up button on your Garmin to access the menu. Then scroll down to find connectivity. Open it and select Wi-Fi. Now scroll down and you'll find My Networks. Select it and tap on Search for Networks. Now the watch is searching for active Wi-Fi networks nearby. Just select the Wi-Fi network and that's it. Since this Wi-Fi is password protected, I can enter the passcode directly from my Garmin Forerunner 265. And that's pretty much it. Using these steps, you can easily connect or link your Garmin to Wi-Fi. And that's it for this one. If you found the video helpful, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Vivoactive for more wearable tech tutorials, reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.